Hey guys, today we're going to be going over a tutorial of how to clean your tires and wheels as well as protect your tires. So you're going to need a few things for this today. You're going to need a wheel brush, a tire brush, preferably hard, a tire gel applicator or spray if you prefer that, some protectant for tires, so tire gel, and some tire cleaner as well as wheel cleaner. You can get a all-in-one or either or, whatever works. So what you're first off going to do is obviously wash the car and spray off the tires. It doesn't really hurt to just go ahead and do the wheels. This car has not been washed in a few weeks and it's about to get a full detail, but I wanted to make a quick video on how to do the wheels. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to just take your wheel and tire cleaner, spray around the tire. Make sure to avoid the paint if possible. Go ahead and spray the wheel as well. You're going to take this brush and just scrub it as much as you can. You're going to take your wheel oil brush and go ahead and just scrub that as best as you can as well. You're going to let that sit for a moment, about a minute to do, or whatever the product you're using recommends. After you wait about 2 minutes, you're going to go ahead and spray the tire down. As well as the wheel, make sure you get it all. Once you're done with that, you have a nice clean tire as well as a clean wheel. You're going to go ahead and just wait until it dries. Come back later whenever the tire's dry. Hey guys, we're back. Tire is fairly dry and we're able to apply some Endurance tire gel. You can use whatever you want. This is just a new product I'm trying out for the first time. All you're going to do is take your applicator, put a small little bit on there. Don't go crazy with it. Probably a little too much there, but it'll be fine. You'll take it and you'll just want to coat the tire with it. Put enough on that edge there. Make sure you get on in there right close to the wheel. Make sure you get every spot of it so it doesn't look out of place. And that right there is how you protect your tires. You can use that. You can also use a different variety of sprays. They all do the same job. I find that the gels last a little bit longer, and to me they look a little bit better. At the end of the day, it's personal preference. So guys, keep your cars looking good out there.